And welcome back to Ekua's cooking show. Yeah, I'm so glad you're here. Today is super special because I have a co-chef joining me for our play date. Say hi to Abena. Hi, everyone. We've been running around so much today that I picked a snack that gives you energy while you play. It's cold and fruity. Yum. Ooh, what is it? Well, it's an Açaí bowl. That's Açaí with other fruits to eat. Bananas and other fruit on top. Do you know which country this yummy snack comes from? I'll give you a hint. Right here's the flag. Now do you know? That's easy. It's Brazil. Yes, Brazil. Good. Açaí bowls are popular in Brazil, and they give you lots of energy for games, dancing, and... I've got energy too! Uncles, we're filming. She definitely doesn't need an Açaí bowl. No, I don't. I'm the chef now. Stir, 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 jump, jump, stir, stir, jump, 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 stir, stir. No, Uncles, you're gonna spill... it's too late. This is not what I meant by extra energy. Okay, I have an idea. Let's play hide and seek. Akos, you go hide first. Oh, I love hide and seek. I'm gonna hide in the secret spot. You'll never find me. Good idea, Abena. I'll count down to 1. 1,999,999. 999,998. Ekua. Just kidding.